Welcome, everybody. Hey, guys, it's really been long. No, it's really been a while. It's really do be a while. I haven't we haven't put any video up, but we're back. We just had some little bit of, a little bit of problems to sort it out. So we just sort the things out now, and we're still, working on some of them, not really all that we have settled, but some of them actually we have settled some of them. I'm going out to get some, I don't know what I could just call, like, should I call it barbecues? I'm going out to get some, we call it coupe, that's roasted meat. I'm going out to get the roasted meat. And as you guys can see, Kitoko is not with me because Kitoko is not feeling too well to come along with me. So but he is at home, and he's just chilling. So that's why I'm going alone. Actually, guys, we've been we've really been doing some things, trying to see how we can put some few things together. And also what we've seen, because we even plan to travel to go to Cameroon, but what we've seen is just like maybe they're trying to like put the coronavirus test for like the coronavirus vaccine, like you have to take the vaccine before you travel. But I don't really know if it's gonna be like obligatory that you have to, like, sorry about the noise, what I'm saying, like, you don't really know like if it's gonna be like obligatory for the stuff, for the vaccine, that if you want to travel, it doesn't matter where you're going, even within the country or like outside the country, that you have to take the vaccine, and they'll give you a card to show that you have taken the vaccine. And you can only obtain that card if only you have taken that vaccine, the coronavirus vaccine. And I made my finding, and I discovered that actually here in Gabon, where we are, we have taken the vaccine, but it has not yet, they have not yet started giving people the vaccine. But we don't really know, maybe I don't know, maybe the people up there, like the hierarchy, they have already started taking the vaccine themselves. I can't really tell. But what I know is that the vaccine has been taken, and the vaccine is in the country, and we don't really know actually when they will start be giving the vaccine. It has not even been announced. No date has even been set yet. Sorry for the noise. No date has really been set yet for the vaccine, distribution or the vaccine taking, But all I know, or all we know, is that the vaccine has arrived. It arrived since like almost 2 weeks ago that the vaccine arrived. But the government have not yet announced the date that the vaccine will be given to the people, or the day that the people will be taking the vaccine. Yeah, we are here, guys. You see this road? This road is under construction. You see the road all this way, and also right there. You guys can see there. It's under construction. They are working on the road right now. So, but we're just moving around, trying to see places, and at the same time also telling you guys how the coronavirus process is going on, like the vaccine for the corona is going on here in Gabon. I don't know, but I know what I was saying is the vaccine has already been here. It is already in the country, but they have not yet given they have not yet started giving the people the vaccine. So we are just waiting to see the day that they're going to give us the vaccine. That's exactly what we're just waiting to see. But we think like within like 2 weeks or maybe before the end of the month, they are going to give the vaccine. They're going to start sharing the vaccine before the end of the month. I know that. That's what we're just hoping, because we are still in quarantine. We are really still in quarantine. And they said last month when people that were, because there were so many people that were on strike, you know, they said that they're going to like, that they're going to be, they are going to, remove the curfew. Remove the curfew this month. So we are waiting. Maybe the time they will hold a second session, because they have to sit and talk on it. And when they sit in, it is being broadcast on the TV station, on the national TV station. But we haven't seen that yet. So we're just waiting to see, to hear the day that they're going to, hold the meeting and talk about it. But I do know that if they are going to they're going to lift the curfew, that simply means that they are also going to announce the day they're going to give, they are going to start, giving the vaccine. As for me, I myself, I don't think I'm going to take the vaccine, I don't think I'm going to take that vaccine, because I don't really trust it, and also I don't think it's necessary, because I ain't got no coronavirus, I ain't got no corona, and I am sound and healthy, and I've never seen somebody, or heard that somebody is corona positive. Anyway, I've never seen that. So we have decided that we ain't gonna take it. I and Kitoko, we're not gonna take the vaccine, no matter what. We are not going to take the vaccine. So that is what we have decided, and we are just hoping to see what is next. What is next? That's what we're hoping. We're just waiting to see what next, because everybody is just tired. We all are tired of the curfew. We are tired of the lockdown. We're tired of staying at home from 6 p.m. right up to 6 a.m. We are tired of it, because things are not moving. Okay guys, we are here to get the stuff. Let me see how it goes. I think we are right there. This is it. Bonjour. Je vais couper les 500.
Tu as la monnaie?
Tu vends le fruit. C'est le... Yes guys, we're right here. So I'm trying to get it. Like 500. That's 500 guys. Non, mais seulement à manger. Oui, donne-moi le poulet. I also want some chicken, guys. I want to fry some good chicken. This is roasted chicken, roasted meat. See that? Roasted chicken over there. Roasted chicken there. How much you? Just putting some seasoning into it. Okay. Thank you. Merci. Okay guys, I got it and I'm heading home. I want to get something again for Kitoko, or if you should say I should get for him. I want to get it for him right away. No. Let me just go get French fry. Yes, let's get this. And you. Guys, I'm about getting the French fry. Kitoko said I should get him this French fry. I want to get it. Get him some French fry. That's what I'm about trying to do right now. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Take care.